good afternoon, good evening. May pagbabago. akala mo mayroong pagbabago, wala naman. Macaroni fruit salad, fruit cocktail lang, and macaroni and other ingredients.
You went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me.
Hello, good morning! Hello sa'yo na nanonood nito. Kumusta ka naman? Good afternoon, good evening to all of you who watching this vlog. Kamusta po kayong lahat? So today is Monday, January 11, 2021. So mega shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for always being there. And thank you all of you sa mga laging nanonood ng mga randomness vlogs ko. So, I hope na all of you have a nice day. So, today, wala namang ganap. Ako ay magluluto lang ng macaroni fruit salad. Tira pa siya nung Pasko and New Year. And naisipan ko siyang gawin ngayon. Macaroni mixed with fruit cocktail and other ingredients. And that's it. Hindi naman ako makakain nun kasi may ubo ako since January 1. Hindi pa masyadong gumagaling. Nag-take na ako ng antibiotics, mga oregano, and okay naman. So, yeah, napansin nyo ba na ako ay may bagong hair color? Kasi nagpa-hair color ako kahapon. So, yeah, it turns out like this. Hindi ko alam kung nag-blend ba siya. Kasi yung pinakulay ko ay light ash. And dati may kulay yung buhok ko. Tapos, nag-turn out siya na ganito. So, okay siya. Happy naman ako sa kinalabasan. Hindi masyadong dark, hindi masyadong light. So, yun. Nag-pamper ng konti. So, yeah. Samahan nyo akong gumawa ng simple macaroni fruit salad. Happy watching! So, this is all our ingredients. I'm using the colorful Party Pasta Rainbow Salad Macaroni, source of fiber and iron. El Real. And I'm using Alaska condensed milk and seasoned fruit cocktail tropical, and of course I'm using two brand of whipped cream, which is Magnolia and Nestle, and of course raisins, and I'm going to add some squeeze of calamansi because I don't have lemon. So that's it, all our ingredients, and yeah, start to make a macaroni fruit salad.
A few moments later.